who drowned in a pool. B is for Billy, who was eaten by ghouls. C is for Kurt with disease of the brain. D is for Daniel, derailed on a train. E is for Eric, who's buried alive. F is for Frank, who was stabbed through the eye. G is for Greg, who died in the womb. H is for Heather, who was sealed in a tomb. I is for Isaac, who lost his front brakes. J is for Charlie, who was bitten by snakes. K is for Kimmy, who was shot in the head. L is for Larry, who bled and bled. N is for Marie, who was burned to a crisp. N is for Nick, who was pummeled by fists. O is for Olive, who lived life too fast. P is for Pat, who swallowed some glass. Q is for Quentin, who took the wrong trail.